Do you translate every sentence inside your head? Before you speak English, you know many words. You know grammar. But when you speak, your mind feels slow. The problem is not your English. The problem is translation. Today you will learn how to stop translating and start thinking in English through a simple story and practice. Many people learn English for years. They read books. They watch videos. They study grammar. But when they try to speak, their mind stops. First, a thought comes in their own language. Then they translate it. Then they feel nervous. This makes speaking slow and uncomfortable. You do not need to think in sentences. You need to think in ideas. When you translate sentences, your brain works too hard. When you think in ideas, English becomes lighter. Practice one. Think simple. You do not need long sentences. Instead of thinking, I am going to the market because I need to buy vegetables, think, I go to the market. I buy vegetables. Simple thoughts create fast English. Practice 2. Use English Indiana your day. Start using English inside your mind. When you wake up, say, I feel tired. When you walk, say, I am walking. When you work, say, I need to focus. Do not translate. Just think. Practice 3. Let go of perfection. Perfect English is not necessary. Clear English is enough. Mistakes are part of learning. Speed is more important than perfection. The more you think in English, the more natural it becomes. The change. Slowly, English feels easier. Your thoughts come faster. You feel less fear. You are not translating anymore. You are thinking in English. If you want to speak English, stop translating. Think simple. Think clearly. Think in English. Practice every day. Even a few minutes is enough. Keep listening. Keep practicing. And move forward with confidence.